Hi students, now we are going to see the definition 1.4. Two matrices A and B are said to be an equivalent to one another if one can be obtained from the other matrices by the application of elementary operations. Here A is equivalent to B. Okay, so now we take one matrix. A is equal to 1, minus 2, 2, minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 4. What we have that definition? Two matrices A and B are said to be equivalent, not equal, equivalent to another matrix if one can be obtained from the other matrix by the by the operation of elementary transformation. Now I am going to change this R2. I am going to take this R2. R2 implies R2 plus 2R2. Now what we get? This first row we have to write as it is. This second row only we are changing. R2 plus what we told, replacing the row of matrix by a sum of a row with a scalar multiple of another row of the matrix. We told them the same thing. R2 minus 1 plus 2R1. 2R1 means 2 into 1, 2. So 1 for first entry. Second entry R2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 4 minus 3. Here 3 minus 2R1 6 minus 3. Okay, so I am going to get 1 minus 3 minus 3, 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4. I am naming this it as B. I am getting this B from this A, isn't it? For that what we have done, we have replaced the row of the matrix. What we have done? Yes, sum of the second row with a non-zero multiple of non-zero scalar of the third row. So we got new row. Okay, so this is known as the matrix B. This is said A is equivalent to B. A is equivalent to B. What is the difference? We say the matrix B in which the second row is. What is the second row? Second row is the transformation of the matrix A. How? The sum of the second row and the multiple of non-scalar of the third row. Isn't it? So it is known as the transformation. A is equivalent to B. This can represent as follows. A 1 minus 2 2 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 1 minus 4. What we have done here, R2 plus 2 R1 1 minus 2 2. Suppose if we have done this, means we got this matrix, isn't it? Suppose if we can change another one also. If you are doing the same operation on column also, that time we will get some another one transformation. So this kind of operations are done by any two rows or columns. That is known as the elementary transformations. That time you are getting a new matrix, but need not to equal to the given matrix. Thank you.